What is up, traders? Elton over here, and we're back again with another live stream. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd. I hope you guys are ready to see another live stream go crazy, just like yesterday. So, to get started, let's just cut right into it. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Elton. I'll be your host for today, where I'll be analyzing some stocks pre-market, and then we'll see what the stock market has for us today. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, as I am live every single day, Monday through Friday, 5:55 a.m. until 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as a part-time day trader. And I've been doing this for about 3 years, so I have a little experience under my belt. But we'll see what today's market has for us and what kind of moves we'll be doing. I'll be using the platform Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. So with this, I already have my scanner right here and my level 2 set up over here. So we'll be seeing what stocks are moving over here. And I already analyzed some stocks pre-market to make it easier for you guys to see what I'm seeing beforehand. And so let's get started. Oh, and if you're not new to the channel, welcome back again. I hope you're excited for another stream for today. And again, make sure you do hit the like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm. So for me to stop talking, let's just get right into it. So right here on top, I have actually yesterday's stocks that I was watching. One of the biggest winners for yesterday was IDEX, and as we can see, it did continue moving up from yesterday. And as you guys can see, here's my trade. I got in way too early, but I did make my gain. I made my 5%, so I'm cool with that. That's perfectly fine for me. And as you guys can see, throughout the rest of the day, it did spike up to almost $4 and then sold off, and then then it tried to reconciliate, and it went to a high of almost 390 today in the pre-market. So now it's just selling off for a little bit, so we'll see what it has for us today. So this one's still gonna stay in our watch list. I already have my alerts right there at 370 and 388. As a matter of fact, I think I have to bring these down a little bit, because when I use my Epic pen to draw out the to see if there's how the stock is behaving, I'm seeing that there's some selloffs, some reconciliation selloff, and then now possible reversal right here in this section. We just don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. But my alert is way too high from where the price is, so I'm gonna set my alert right here to this mark, which looks like it's going to be 360. I'm gonna replace that, and then this one I'm gonna bring it down to, you guessed it right, around 370. So because the price is changed, again, I already analyzed this stock pre-market, and of course it was trading up here thinking it was going to continue moving up, but because that's a huge sell-off right here, then we'll see if it's able to recover. So that's IDX. Next we have KTOV. KTOV was another big watcher from yesterday as well. Usually well, yesterday, and as soon as the market opened, it did sell off. So again, at 7:30 is when I closed the live stream, but at 7:30 is when this stock did make a reversal for to go from less than 65 cents to a $1.20 now. So huge reversal. As you guys can see, I'm waiting for it to break out that $1.23 resistance, so I'm gonna put it 1 cent above that, so $1.24. Actually, it won't let me, so I'll have to do it manually, because it puts the little cents in between. All right, there we go. Boom. So $1.24. We'll see if it breaks that. Again, still a lot of volume. Biggest volume for today. Daily average is 22 million. It's already at 100% on its volume. So making big moves already before the market even opens. And next we have Lunkin Coffee. Lunkin Coffee, it's been coming up in a scanner for the last couple of weeks. So this one I'm not too interested in, but there's a big but. There's a possible reversal that might happen, since we hit that 254 So you guys can see it's probably bouncing off from a 250 support. So we'll see if it's strong enough for it to make a reversal. So I'm gonna set my first alert right here at 275. Boom. Then I'm gonna set my second one at 290. There you go. 291. That's perfectly fine. So we'll see if a reversal does happen with Lunkin Coffee. And actually, let me take this 275 away and then add a note. So I'm able to add notes over here for 275. I'm gonna say possible reversal. Can't spell reversal, possible reversal. Boom, there we go. Next we have BRN. BRN is moving. It did release their quarter lead reports, and now it just surpassed my first alert, my pre-market first alert. So that's already good. We'll see if it gets above that my second alert. So this one, that 149, I no longer need it. And if I were to draw it out, use my Epic Pen tool, as you guys can see, we'll see a huge spike sell-off, but we don't see a huge sell-off right away. We see some recovery, and then from here is just range trading, range trading, range trading, range trading, and then boom. Now again, that first $1.67 is going to be the first alert, and then now my second one is going to be at $1.83. So if it breaks that $1.80 resistance, that'll definitely be a good point to watch right there. So BRN, big watcher right there. So let me start adding these to the thing. Let's do say today's big watchers. Alright, so we definitely have BRN. We'll see what else we got. PTN, it did have some news for today about covering a development of developing COVID-19 lung treatment. So that's very good. So I'm waiting for it to break that resistance right there. So I already have my alerts at 70 cents and 77 cents. Actually, I need to put this one at 78, 1 cent above its pre-market high, letting me know that it's above 78. So above pre-market high. That's what PMH stands for, pre-market high. Next I have BIOC. I'm not really interested on it. There's nothing much going on there. Hertz, I'm not even going to talk about Hertz. You guys know about Hertz already, about them going bankrupt, filing bankruptcy. Oh, FRSX looking interesting over here. Okay, so I'm actually going to set an alert for $1.80. One, that's fine. And then I'm gonna set another one close to $1.90. We'll see what happens. I didn't check this one until now. FFHL, this one was a huge mover for yesterday too. So big move, and it's still continuing for today, but now it's just selling off. As you guys can see, I already had some alerts, and if I use my Epic Pen tool to draw this out, you can see it just selling off, reconciliating, selling off, tries to reconciliate, big sell off, small reconciliation, and then now continuing selling off. So we'll see if this is going to continue. And so I'm gonna set my alert a little bit lower, so at around $7, and then my confirmation around 740. But we'll see what's gonna happen with it for the rest of the day. Okay, next, SEEL, pretty good a setup happening over here. So we have a big sell-off, big move, big sell-off, and again just some reconciliation over here. But what I'm looking at right here is for it to break that $1.80 sell-off. And if it breaks that, then I'm waiting for it to hit above the above the pre-market high. So that's going to be something hopefully that we're able to see. And also it does have some news for today, which uh, let's see, it looks like SEL proof of concept study for acute suicidal ideation and behavior. It looks like they have a study that they're gonna start in the fall, so that's probably some good news. And it looks like they have the final data from phase 1 of the PKPD study, so that's definitely good as well. So it looks like some good news that they have going on. I'm not gonna go too much in details on what's happening, but that's something that it is going on. Now we have SINT, not looking too good. These are just too low volume. And this is another one that was mentioned in a group that I am letting in all possibilities of some stocks moving. Was this stock ATIF? As you can see, big move, huge sell-off. Try to conciliate, but no. And then we do see some support from the 20 SMA, so the white line right over here. So we're seeing some support from there, which is definitely good. So definitely something big to watch. I'm gonna bring this alert down to $2.25. It's a little bit high, and I'm gonna set my confirmation a little bit lower as well than the pre-market high, just in case it does make a move, because this setup is looking very good over here as well. So that's another stock that I'm gonna put right here. So BRN to ATIF. All right, so there we go. And again, these are all the stocks that we have from yesterday. So I'm just gonna get rid of some of them since they're just crazy stupid low volume. Still, you take that away, take that away, take that away. BYFC, huge sell-off from yesterday, just take that away. SINT did make a small reversal yesterday, but just for the rest of the day it did sell off. So I'm not even gonna bother watching that one. Oh yes, KTOV. This one's another big watcher. KTOV and IDX, again, possibility of a reversal. So I'm gonna say IDX as well. So those four looks like some pretty good watches. So I'm gonna leave those right there. Boom. But we'll see what the rest of the day has. So another one, like I did mention, was ATIF. Seal. Let's see where it does head. BRN. PTN. Not there yet. BIOC. Not there yet. Lunkin Coffee. We'll just leave it for now. BIOC. Hertz. Oh, yes, this one. EDNT. Oh, EDNT. EDNT. This one's another one too. If we use our ApplePen tool to draw what patterns are coming up or getting designed, as you can see, this is what we got going on. So huge sell-off, and then right here, possible reversal. Possibility reversal. We have a red bar happening right now. The volume is way too low for me to even consider it, but just the setup, it is there. It's just the volume definitely needs to pick up for the rest of the day, because right now it's only at 500 million. So I have my alert right there at 311. Maybe I should push it up to a little bit higher, but we'll see where it goes. But this one is a potential of another move right here as well. So EDNT. Ooh, let me add that one right here too. EDNT. Awesome. There we go. So again, not too many stocks for today, which is perfectly fine. Um, it's a little bit early, so again, I'm getting up earlier for me to do some pre-market analysis earlier to see what stocks are moving pre-market, possibly even trade pre-market. I never do it since there's a lot of risk, but it's a possibility that I might consider it. So we'll see what we have going on. And yesterday I did make a video on how to find all these stocks. Again, most of the time I do find hot stocks, like all these right here. These are all the stocks that I've been finding on this scanner that I have right here. So yesterday I released uh, my setup for this scanner, and all you have to do is get yourself Thinkorswim, the platform Thinkorswim by Ameritrade, and all you gotta do is copy and paste the link that I have in the video on the description. All you gotta do is just click on the top right corner right here to watch the video. And again, all the stocks that have been moving, again, all of these, because I do keep a history of all the stocks that did pop on my scanner and that did trade on that day, have been here ever since April. Most of it started since April. I do have some gaps over here that I missed on some that I haven't filled it in, but I mean April, yes, since April. And I have some from other days, and I have like Excel files of like back from 2018, a little bit of 2019, but ever since then, this scanner right here has helped me find some of these stocks that move for the rest of the have been big movers, big losers, so the whole 10 yards. And again, I just released that yesterday, so make sure you go watch the video and then make sure you hit the like button if you guys do like it and do like the scanner, especially since again all these stocks like the IDX was in the scanner yesterday. BYOC, Fran popped up, but I was already too late for it and I don't want to get involved with it. I was more on the short side of it, and it did get sold off like crazy. That was FRAN. So again, just big move yesterday. Had a couple gaps. Somewhere over here around 725 is where I saw it, and I was just on the live stream still, and I was like, this stock is definitely a short, and it was a good short position for a good 10 to 16% gain since yesterday. But again, all the stocks that move are definitely in thanks to this pre-market scanner and my trending stocks 2.0 as well, which is an alternative of this scanner. Once the market opens, the some of the volume changes as well. So again, it's all on the top right corner right here, so for you guys go watch that video. And then again, it will be definitely helpful if you guys do hit the like button. All right, so let's refresh this. As a matter of fact, let's see if we got some new stuff. Market stocks. What's going on? There we go. Okay, there we go. Boom. So now we got a whole huge list over here. Let's see if anything else popped up. Ooh, fun. Ooh, fun. On this stock a couple weeks ago did make a move. So we have a huge spike. Any news? Fund partners with Sirius transform medical care through mobile experiences. Okay. A big move on those news. Big sell off. So we'll see if it wants to come back over here. So $1.30, $1.32. And I'm gonna put an alert above that alert right there. $1.36. Yep, that looks good right there. Okay, so fund just released some news. Ooh, also CEI as well. Did they release some news? Canberra Energy raises 6 million through sale of Series C preferred stock. Moves temporary equity to permanent equity. Moves temporary equity to permanent equity. Nice. Okay. So we're getting some stocks that are moving for today. Never mind. Let's look right here. Resistance right there. We do have a gap up. We got some support there. Okay, so we'll see what we got going on over here. Big sell-off. I'm putting the alert right here at $1.60. And I'm putting another one at $1.70. Okay. Yeah, so we're getting a lot of stocks that are moving already too. Let's see, MVIS. It did spike up yesterday in some volume. Why did it spike up for 2 million volume? Next we have Mara, no. BYFC, no. CPE, nah. LTHM, no. HIPAA, whoa. Whoa. Was this morning? No, it was not. This was after hours. Yesterday? So HIPAA after hours, unfavorable CRV 431 study in mouse model. It looks like it demonstrates efficiency in kidney fibrosis. Okay, so they released some news yesterday after market hours. That's big, but as you guys can see, it's just not there. Volume, it's crazy low, but it's way above from its daily average. It's just looking a little bit too choppy over here. Which is very choppy. So I'm trying to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so definitely some an alert over here around 316, and my confirmation close to 335. There you go. I'll say 335. So it looks like we're getting some support right there on $3, but there's multiple points of support, but it's just breaking through them. We'll see if it breaks below that. So we'll see 290 or less. Boom. CJJD. Okay, we're getting some big spike over here. It's been moving very slowly. Oh, we got a huge gap right over here. Huge gap that I could potentially fill. What is this, the high of $1.82? Isn't that what is it trading right now? $1.90. Oh, hell yeah. This is a good setup right here. Low of 245. This stock is definitely trying to fill this gap right over here. We got a huge, this is a good opportunity right here from CJJD. I'm definitely gonna be watching this one. That is a huge gap. It's already at $1.90. I mean, all these people that, if anybody who lost money, definitely are breaking even right now, because again, the stock is at $1.90, so it's already 8 cents above that at the high of this. So we'll see if we can head over to $2.40. So that's definitely big news. That's definitely something big right there. CJJD. I'm gonna add this to the. Come on. Let me write something. CJJD. So CJJD filling up that huge gap above. Let's see, anybody else have any huge gaps? Nope. We got NNDM over here picking up some volume. Oh, certifying clears with conjunctions with US military. We got some military news. Okay, so we're finding some stocks now. It just, the volume is so low too. It's just crazy. So NNDM. I'm alert these people. CJJD. Where that is right here. And then DM. And so we definitely need a lot of volume over here from NNDM. As you can see, the daily average is 23 million. It barely has any volume at all too. And CJJD, same thing. Definitely need a lot of volume, 4 million. But the day is still young. We have 9 minutes before the market opens. So we'll see what we have going on over here. All right, so I'm pretty good with my stocks for today. What is this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of stocks to watch, but we'll see what we got going on. All right. Let me do. Okay, so we have EDNT about to break. Where's EDNT? Oh, I didn't have it here. All right, so we got 11 stocks. EDNT about to break my was about to break with that alert of 311, and Seal, same thing, about to break that 179 alert. The BRN. So BRN did break off from that $1.80. As you can see, they break that $1.67 alert. So now I gotta push this alert to $1.95. See if it breaks that. So it broke off from $1.80. We'll see if it's retesting it once again. So we'll see if it breaks that as well. But it's definitely gonna be an interesting morning. And what sucks about this is I'm not even able to trade since I did trade yesterday. So what I'm gonna be using is my Webull account, because Webull is doing a contest right now that where's it at? I'll give you guys the specs. That's where you should get your Webull account. Get 2 free stocks when you guys use the link down below. So what Webull is doing is, let's do more paper trading. So they have a contest going on where the practice trading for free, make a rewarding experience. So you get whoever has like the biggest return percentage and P&L from the account balance of $10,000, which I don't like so much. I like to stay with 2,000. Is there's a price at the end of the contest. So we'll see what we have going on. All right, so a big watcher for me today is going to be BRN. Oh, so they don't even have it over here. So they're doing stocks that are not less than $5. So that sucks. So I'm already out because I'm already trading pretty stocks. So I'm gonna use my regular account for today. So we got 2.5 minutes left before the market opens. So there you go. BRN did retest that $1.80. So that $1.80 now becomes support. Let's do BRN. So I gotta wait for the market to open. So let's see, on the 1 minute, it's definitely, so I gotta get rid of this alert and then put another one right here at 210, because that $1.96 is definitely gonna get hit. And there it goes. I'm even gonna take this one off. So BRN again 210, and I'm gonna set another one over here at 220. 222 is good. Let's see. The seal getting rejected. Let's go with KTOV. Okay. IDX. Whoa, okay. Huge seller from IDX. I gotta bring this alert down to 320. So place that, and then my another one right here at 331. BRN. Okay, that's BRN that we were just watching a few seconds ago. Lunkin Coffee. Again, possible reversal from Lunkin Coffee. I can bring this down to 270 for my alert. And then this one around 280, 283. Okay, BIOC looking ugly, but I'm not gonna neglect it. I did neglect the stock IDX a couple days ago, and so I'm gonna set an alert over here at 75 cents. There we go. Just in case, just in case. ATIF, big seller, but again, as I saw support from the 20 SMA, the white line, and then we'll see if it wants to recover from there. So still, that 225 alert is perfectly good. Seal. All right, here we go. BRN. Let's trade this. All right. Okay, come on, come on, come on. All right, so it looks like it filled me up at 208, which is definitely not good. I just got an alert from HIPAA and BBI. Also FRSX. All right, so let me draw this out. It's a big move. So definitely getting some rejection over here. It's too early to determine, but we'll see what we got going on. I got some alerts too. So BRN at $2.10. All right, there we go, making a move. My average is at 208. So BRN just definitely selling off over here. I thought I got a win right at the open. It's perfectly fine. The setup's still there on the 5-minute. Just we gotta see the volume spike up. Okay, so Seal, AD&T, all of them are selling off. Let me check out IDX. FRSX making a big move over here. I just got 2 alerts. FRSX is at 215, so I got my 2 alerts from FRSX. The first one was at above $1.81, and the second one above $1.92. KTOV making a big move as well. Let's see where it fills me up. Okay, so I have two positions, one of BRN at 208 and then KTOV at $1.31. Oh, $1.30. No, dollar, yeah, $1.30. All right, so BRN just not looking good over here. Oh, and don't tell me Thinkorswim is having some issues. Do not tell me Thinkorswim is having some issues once again. Wow. Wow. Thinkorswim is having some technical issues once again. This is messed up. This is truly, truly, truly messed up. This is truly, truly messed up. Thinkorswim is Ameritrade is gonna get sued for this. This is not good at all. Like if somebody wants to get on a position, you cannot be that cannot be happening at all right there. So from a 208, it says that I'm down 10%. That's not good. KTOV. Yeah, so we'll see if we get some support from BRN right here. Nope, no support at all. Just cracking straight through it. So trying to see if it's gonna bounce off from the 50 SMA or even try to come back once again. So I'm gonna sell on it right there from BRN. See if he wants to come back again. KTOV still trading at $1.28 now. My average is $1.30. So if we draw it out, see a huge spike, sell off. A huge move up here, so we still got some potential on the upside for KTOV. BRN's below $1.80, so I'm gonna get off my position from BRN. So that was a big loss right there, but I'm gonna try to make it up right here if it continues to short sell. Ooh. Let me get some confirmation that it's going to be continuing selling off, or if it's going to make a reversal over here. So what I'm seeing is this. We got a huge move, a sell-off, huge move, some sell-off. So I'm definitely expecting a reversal over here. It looks like some head and shoulders reversal. So it looks like we've got a head and shoulders pattern. So we'll see where that takes us. So we're getting some support from the 50 SMA, which is definitely good. All right, where's KTOV? KTOV at $1.23. So we're getting a lot of support right here at $1.75 from BRN and KTOV. Again, there's still some potential going on with it. So BRN, just confirmation that it's going to be a short sale position. Yep, so I'm a short the hell out of BRN. Where you at? Oh no. No. I got off on the wrong thing. Well, I messed up. I got off on my trade from KTOV. Well, that's not good. I closed my order on KTOV by accident, thinking it was BRM, but let's see. FFHL is at above $7 and above $7.41, and it just got halted. And so let me get in this order for BRN for a short position. Just waiting for it to recover a little bit. There we go. Let's see, did it fill my order? Fill my order at $1.69. Alright, and then where is KTOV? Still, KTOV is still moving up. Fun also making a move back again. I'm gonna get in my on my KTOV order. So stupid that I gonna be more now, which sucks. All right, so let's do this. KTOV. Big move. So BRN making a reversal. Trying to retest at $1.80. Let's see what's gonna happen here. ATIF had a huge sell-off, but definitely wants to make a reversal as well. Set an alert at $2.12. See if it wants to come back again above that. So we can see a lot of losers over here. FFH sales still halted. And KTOV has a lot of volume over here. So let's see where my new order fills up again, because I was at $1.30, but now I gotta, so it filled me up at $1.28. A little bit better. We'll see what it has, what we have going on. BRN again trying to retest that $1.80 resistance. So we had some support, but there's nothing from the 50 SMA. So this thing, I got a feeling it's just gonna be crashing out. KTOV, there we go. Finally make it spiking up. Go from $1.28. Again, I'm trying to make my between 6 and 10%. So it has to hit to like at least $1.40. We'll see if that's gonna be the case. We'll put above $1.33. BRN. I'll set an alert that it's at below $1.65. KTOV just has a large amount of volume for today. Another stock that is moving is UONE, around $23. Nothing too much for today, so I don't know why it's up. Where's BRN? At $1.70 still. FRSX sold off from the $1 alert. Fun also selling off a little bit as well. Lunkin Coffee try to make a move, but nothing. It looks like it's getting rejected around 290. And KTOV once again, just selling off, but just a small amount of volume can spike this thing up too. So there we go, BRN. There we go. That's beautiful right there. Wait, what? No! No! I hate this. I totally messed up. Wow. Wow. I totally messed up. I went to a long position with BRN instead of shorting it. This is why you have to get acquainted with your trading platforms. Because otherwise you're going to be making mistakes like that. And then it's going to put you in a bad position. So have to go back again. How? So this is why, again, you just have to become aware of your trading platforms, because if you don't, then this can be really bad for you, and you don't want the trades to go against you. And same thing with KTOV. At this point, it's just selling off too great, so I'm gonna get out of it too. It was just a bad day. I'm not even gonna trade anymore. Let me pull up my Webull account. It was just, I made some bad trades. I still need to get a little more acquainted with Webull. Where's it at? Where's it at? I'm using the app version on my phone. It's supposed to be a lot. Yesterday was a lot simpler. Today, it was just foolish. It should be popping up right over here. All right, here we go. All right, let's do this. And where am I? Oh, right here. Is my paper account still getting? Oh, there we go. And so there we go. These are my trades from my account. So down $200 for today. From KTOV and BRN, $200 down. And so I'm definitely gonna try to make this up. I got less than 30 minutes to do it, or a little more than 30 minutes to do it. All right, there we go. So I just entered a short position with KTOV at a price of, filled me up at $1.16. FFHL, big move today. It got halted, so I'm gonna wait for a red bar and then short the hell out of it. BRN, I should have been in a short position a long time ago, but I messed up and then pressed a long buy. So I was at $1.69. At this point, I would have been up 5%. Again, I'm trying for between 6 and 10%, but I messed up on that order. Let's see anything else moving now, but I'm definitely once it pops up. Right now, FFHL is going to get halted. It looks like it's going to get halted. There he goes. It got halted. So that's already one halt, two halts, I believe. One, two, yep, one, two for the day already. We'll see what it has for us for the rest of the day. But BRN, again, I should be in a short position, and then right now I'm in a short position with KTOV. This thing should be selling off like crazy, maybe bouncing off from the, hopefully it doesn't bounce off from the 50 SMA over here at $1.10. So from $1.16, again, I'm trying to make 6 to 10%. So this thing has to get below $1.08. On the 1 minute time frame, it's below the 50 SMA, which is good news for me. But on the 5 minute time frame, it definitely not looking good, because you can still get some support from the 50 SMA right there. I'm gonna create an alert right here that K2V is below $1.10. So 657. So let me switch this to my trading 2.0 scanner. All right, boom, there we go. We got the top movers over here. So KTOV at $1.11. There we go. So I'm in that short position still. Let's see, where am I at? 3% so far. Looks like plug is moving over here. I'm waiting for FFHL to come back to trade again so I can short it. There we go. It's back again. So it's definitely still gonna be running up a little bit, maybe to like 1050. There you go, 1049, as I had mentioned. But again, we have 2 halts already. All right, so there you go. I fill my order at 971. All right, so from 971, my 6 to 10%, so below $9, a little below the $9. It's definitely gonna have a huge sell-off over here, but we'll see if it wants to recover. KTOV still trading above $1.10. So here we go, so you guys are able to see it too. These are my, so I'm at KTOV for a short sell and an FFHL for a short sell position. Average price 971. So again, just waiting for it to get below. A lot of support right there, $1.09. There we go, $9. Come on, show that $9 face again. Show it again. Show that $9. There we go. All right. So a lot of support right there around $9. Again, the spread of this is just, the spread is so low, but then the moves are so big from FFHL. It's just crazy to see. So it looks like some short sellers were covering some over here. Again, the price on the 5 minute is just overly extended. So again, I'm just waiting for it to get below $9 on the 1 minute time frame, which is the trending time frame. This thing is like moving like crazy, but on the 5 minute, it's just way too extended already. I'm gonna set an alert if it gets below $9. KTOV as well won't get below $1.10. See, it just won't get below $9. There we go. Boom. All right, so now we're getting some possible reversal over here. So now that $9 is going to be some resistance. We'll see if it wants to break above it, or if it's just short sellers trying to cover some, because again, we had a huge spike, sell off, reversal, sell off, some recover, and we'll see if it wants to continue selling off. So still a possibility here, especially with the number of halts. It had 2 halts, not too many, but just enough for it to sell off. Again, the 5 minute, the price is still extended. It's 10% up, 10% above it. And on the 1 minute, it looks like we're gonna get some support from the 20 SMA, which could pick up a small trend, but possibly selling off. So we'll see what we have over here, and we got still some time left. Again, till 7:30 is when the live stream gets cut off. KTOV is at $1.11, $1.12. So I'm just trying to make my money for today. Try to recover from my loss from uh BR BRN, or I should have been in a short sell position. You just would have made some. There we go. 866. So if this bar closes, what's the low of this? It's 868. If this bar closes below 868, then we're still gonna have a continuation of a sell-off. So it has to close. It still has 3 minutes for it to close below 868. So we'll see how this bar will determine if it's going to be continuing to sell off, or if it's a possibility of a quick sell off, but then could recover. So that bar right there is going to determine it all. So KTOV back again to $1.16. Had a lot of support at $1.10 for KTOV. that doesn't look pretty at all. All right, 850. And again, this is my position over here for both KTOV and FFHL. Average price of 941 for FFHL. So again, we got just a couple more seconds. If this bar doesn't close below 868, and then again we have a possibility of a uptrend. But based on this pattern right here, what I've talked about in other videos is it's kind of like an alligator mouth. This thing is opening it up, but it looks like it's about to close down too. Looks like it's gonna close down. So opens up and possibility of closing down all the way. It could happen. It's on its way. Again, we just have to be patient as this thing has a few more seconds. We'll see where this bar closes. And there it is. It closed at 873. So not really good at all.
Sorry, I couldn't find
What? That. So there we go. We just got a signal for an uptrend. Just how I just mentioned. If this bar didn't close for below 868, then there's going to be a possibility of an uptrend. And there it goes. Looks like the 9 SMA is getting some support from the 20. So another thing that I've noticed too lately, and especially, oh, there we go, KTOV below $1.07. It finally cracked. Boom, let's go. So going back to FFHL, I know something that I've noticed a lot too is when this pattern is getting created, the 9 SMA is opening up and the 50 SMA, and then we have the 20 SMA. Before it closes down, I've noticed, especially for KTOV yesterday, the 9 SMA bounced off from the 20 SMA and caused a huge uptrend, but it looks like that's not the case over here. It just cracked down below that. But I've noticed that for some possible swing trades where the 9 simple moving average just gets a lot of support from the 20, and then boom, just a big uptrend happens. So FFHL, I'm up 9% so far. So I already hit my 10% mark. So I think I'm just gonna look to cover some. And for those who don't know how to short sell or just short sell overall, I'll make a video. I'll post this. I'll post it probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'll post a video tomorrow on how to short sell stocks. So that we guys are able to understand what short selling is, how to short sell, and the whole 10 yards about that. But let me close in this position on FFHL. I didn't make my $200 like I wanted to back. But that's perfectly fine. I just got off my FFHL. So now I'm looking for KTOV. Where you at? KTOV hit a low of $1.04. So if this thing is able to get below that, again, no support from the 50 SMA, and it's below on the 1 minute, it's just continuing selling off. If it can definitely get below $1.02, little two, then that's definitely going to be good news for me, as I should have. Where's FFHL? $8.30. That's good. That's perfectly fine. I got up pretty good. I had a pretty good time. What did it fill me out at? 828. Yeah, that was amazing. So fill me up at 828. I could have made a little bit more. Now it's at 810. That's perfectly fine. I'll take that. I'm just waiting now on KTOB just to get below a dollar, even a dollar possibly. I can truly get out right here. I made my goal for the day. I'm already at 7%. Um, so I can still get out on this position right here. Let me just restudy this. Boom, boom. You sell off, some recover. We should have some. We should still have some continuation of a sell off over here. But it looks like we're getting some reversal. So again, just still some continuation of a sell off. So now it just comes playing the patience game. We still got 50 minutes left from the stream. But yes, tomorrow again I'll post a video on how to short sell stocks. Um, it's a little bit different when it comes to paper trading because you don't get charged any fees, and when you do when you use real money, you do get charged fees. So there's some differences in regards to it, but I'll go over all that. And well, I'll just go on the basics first on what is short selling, how to short sell a stock, and how to enter and exit a short sell position. And so I'll go over that with tomorrow, so you guys can check that out. So I'm still down. Looks like $38 for the day. XRSF, big move, a huge sell off as well too. But KTOV, I'm just waiting for it to crack down below $1, and then I'll close off all my position. So out of nowhere, XRSF made a big move, and now it's just paying for it by getting sold off. KTOV back again at $1.10. This thing just won't budge. It's it's still early to get into the short sell position as well for XRSF. Yeah, KTOV is just not budging in. it's way too extended on the 5 minute, and then on the 1 minute time frame, same thing again. You guys can see the 9 SMA. Oops. You guys can see the 9 SMA and the 50 SMA. This thing opened up. So again, we see it curling for a possible closure, just how it just happened right now with FFHL. Or again, on the 1 minute, it opened up, but it started closing, and that's just determined for a downtrend. And then again, on the 5 minute, it was just overextended. So now the price is a little below the 9 SMA. So the price was overextended over here, and it was still overextended around at the 705 time frame or time mark or timestamp. And then from there, it just continued selling off. So now it's just right there where it needs to be. But it looks like it's going to get some support from the 50 SMA right over here. So with XRSF, same thing. We can see a huge sell-off. The price overextended. So again, it's still a good opportunity for a short sell position, which I'm gonna try to get on right now. Before the drop, the price drops like crazy. Let's see what it fills me out on, and this should be my last trade for the day. I only got 10 minutes left. I think I'm just gonna hold KTOV still for the rest of the day. And XRSF, it filled me out at 330. So there you guys go. Filled out at 330. So average price 330. So again, from 330, trying to make my 6 to 10%. So waiting to get down to 310. I'm gonna start an alert that it got below 315. So there you go. Just like I had mentioned, literally the pattern is closed. We're gonna see some reversal, just like how we saw from FFHL. There's gonna be an uptrend move that's gonna happen, but eventually this thing's gonna close down hard. So that same thing should happen with XRSF. Whoa. Okay, so we got a bigger spike than expected over here. This thing is supposed to be continuing selling off, but the 20 SMA is not curling at all either. Whoa, okay. All right, so we got 6 minutes left.